In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things I learned along the way to building my Ryzen R9 3950X system using the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S28 Prisma. The first one has to do with the fan configuration, the second one has to do with thermals, and the third one has to do with the AMD mounting bracket. Alright, so the goal for this video is to help you make a few decisions before purchasing all your internal components. You may not have to purchase a fan hub for your gaming system or whatever system you're going to be using this all-in-one liquid cooler for. Generally speaking, if you're spending $200 or more on a motherboard, you're going to have ample amount of fan headers on your motherboard. If you're running a little bit short on fan headers on your motherboard and you purchase the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S28 Prisma, then you could utilize the fan headers that are on the fan hub built into the all-in-one liquid cooler to actually have enough fan headers so that you don't need to purchase an extra fan hub. The second key point I learned about the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S28 Prisma is that right out of the box, when I installed it on my 3950X, I noticed higher than usual CPU temperatures. That's because the Fractal Design all-in-one liquid cooler runs in 2 modes. The first mode is auto, which is what mine came pre-configured in. The second mode is PWM mode. When I switched it from auto to PWM mode, my temperatures at load dropped significantly. Now, does that mean that the auto mode is bad for the Fractal Design all-in-one liquid cooler? It absolutely doesn't. There's always gonna be that fine line between noise and thermals. Third and last key point that I learned while building with this all-in-one liquid cooler is that it uses, for Ryzen systems, the old Am4 mounting bracket that's pre-installed on the motherboard. I took that bracket off because I was running this system on a test bench prior to the build, which you can check out in the upper right hand corner of the screen right now. And I actually had to reinstall those Am4 brackets in order to install the all-in-one liquid cooler on that build. So those are the 3 points that I'd like to share with you guys. Hopefully that's gonna save you buying some internal components. Maybe that's even gonna save you guys some hassle of dealing with, issues where you think that you have high CPU temperatures when in reality, the all-in-one liquid cooler is working just fine. If you'd like to see more info on this, like you want me to do some temperature tests with my 3950X on auto and PWM mode, go ahead and like this video because that'll let me know that you actually want to see it. If there's anything else you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know by commenting below. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.